everyone, welcome to a brand new episode of Tech Helpline. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through an easy process on how to redeem Kindle gift card online. If you've got a Kindle gift card and you'd like to use it so that you can redeem your code, then keep watching the video till the end. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Open up a web browser to begin. In the web address bar that pops up at the top, type in Redeem Kindle gift card and press enter. You'll end up in the next page where you'll be able to see the search result based on your search. Go to this link right here that says Redeem your Amazon Kindle gift card. You can also type in this URL into the text box at the top and you'll end up in this page. Here, as you can see that at the very top, it says click the button below to apply your claim code to your account. In order to redeem a gift card online for Amazon Kindle, simply click on the Apply to your account button right next to Have a gift card. Once you click on that, this will open up a new tab. Here, you might need to enter your Amazon account's credentials in order to get to this page. Simply type in your claim code or your gift code number in the text box that appears on the screen and click on Apply to your balance right next to it. Your gift card number will be located at the back of your gift card. Simply peel off the metallic strip and it will reveal your gift card information. Once you click on Apply to your balance button, you'll be able to redeem your gift card for Amazon Kindle right away. I hope the tutorial was helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.